Hi and welcome to this general introduction on how to send out your surveys in Netigate. Once you created your survey, simply use the left-hand menu to continue on to distribution. In the top right corner we can find a test link for a survey to either use ourselves or send to a colleague to make sure we can test it properly before sending it out. In the left-hand menu we have the different distribution methods available to us, such as email, SMS, creating a server link to post a link on, let's say, social media or our website, creating logins, which is usernames and passwords that we hand out, two-way SMS, making use of respondent panels, or our embedded question feature. Let's create an email sendout in this case. When creating our email sendout, we get to enter a subject for the email, a sender, and a mail text. When creating our mail text, we can of course add opt-out links to the email and schedule it for specific dates and times. So let's say I want to send this out today at 9:45. I'm also going to add a reminder. And when creating your reminders, we can of course set a date and time for those as well, and to whom the reminder should be sent. For example, all except those that completed the survey. We can, from here on, edit our reminder email and send a test mail for the reminder, and of course delete it if we want to. To send a test mail for the main sendout, use the test mail button in the top right corner. We can of course also add additional reminders if we want to, clicking add reminder again. So what I've done now is created 3 separate reminders and set separate times for those as well. Clicking continue, we can now add our respondents to the survey, either by typing them in here one by one or simply copy paste. Clicking add, the respondents are now added to the survey. Click continue, we can easily see the dates and times specified for the sendout, and click order to send this out. The question now appears if we want to activate the survey as well. If we click no, nothing will be sent out until we activate the survey as well. If I click yes, everything will be sent out according to the dates and times specified. Clicking no, we're now back at the distribution menu, so we can see the mail sendout we created with the dates and times specified, amount of respondents added. We can easily edit our sendouts by clicking the pen or deleting any of the reminders, or sendout as well of course. We can also save the mail text as a template for later use in other surveys. To activate the survey, simply go to activation and click activate. Going back to the distribution page, we can, of course, if we want to, add additional sendouts by using the left-hand menu again to, let's say, create another email sendout in, let's say, a separate language, creating an SMS sendout, or let's create a survey link here as well that we want to post on, let's say, Facebook. Ticking the box for one answer per person to make sure that the same computer can't answer multiple times, and clicking save. The link is now created. Simply click it and copy it from here and send to the admin for your Facebook account. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.